Previously on Cherael Symone's The Powder tutorial. I know I'm kind of blind, but I wouldn't miss this. Why is the index finger so cloudy? What the? Hi guys, welcome back. It's Cherael again, and today we are going to be filing and redesigning this nail design because it was playing with my emotions. It was cute, but then this darn index finger wasn't shining. I'll link the previous video in the cards and down below, so check it out. I tried everything but nothing worked. I think the seal protect was dirty because I do remember doing a set before, so that's probably why. But let's move on. There's more nail design to be done. Let's not dwell on the past. So I'm filing layers of the nail off. Don't file too low because the flakes of the glitter will start to fall out. All I do is file until my ancestors tell me that's enough. But yeah, I'm just filing off layers of the clear. You don't have to make it too thin, just enough so that when you apply more powder, the end result wouldn't be too chunky. Okay, so the products I'll be using today is this beautiful glitter that you may notice from a video I did previously. I would link it in the card. Then this coffee from Mia Secret Fruity Collection, as well as this Cherael Sky Pure White the powder and Cherael Sky Seal Protect. So this is after all the filing, and now I just place a layer of clear just so we could have a base to start with. So starting off on the pinky finger, I apply base and then I sprinkle the brown acrylic on my nail. I left it there for a few seconds and then I went on to the index. The reason I left it is so that I don't brush off too much of the acrylic because I don't want to put too many layers. I also did the thumb in the brown as well, but I wouldn't be showing that one. The coverage of my brown acrylic was very good. I didn't need any more layers. However, if you need to put any more layers, you should do so. I think I just did one layer, but I went back in to do the sides and the tip because the nail was showing. Now onto the ring finger, I just apply base and then I dip it into Cherael Sky Pure White. For the marble, I just apply white and brown acrylic to a disposable container and I mix them together to get a marble effect. Then I apply base to the white nail and lay my finger into the marble powder. Ensure to move your finger from side to side to evenly distribute the marble color. Now taking the glitter, I apply a generous but even amount of glitter to the nail. Don't make it too bulky. So I use my Seal Protect and I dip the brush into the Seal Protect and then into the clear dip powder and then to the glitter. When I was finished, I encapsulated the nail by using Seal Protect and clear and then using base and clear, because you need to cure it, and the only way to cure it is by using base and clear. I have a video explaining everything in depth concerning this, so I would link it in the cards because it's hard to explain it all the time in all the videos, so I'll just link to that video where I go in depth. So I already encapsulated all the nails off camera by just placing base and then dipping it into clear acrylic. So now I apply activator and then I waited 5 minutes and then I started my filing and buffing. This is after filing and buffing, and then I apply more activator to the nails. So you see how simple it can be to change your nail design sometimes. I hope you gain some knowledge on this channel that you would adopt when doing your own nails. These nails are fall inspired, but it could also be used, well, obviously for Thanksgiving and whatever you want it to be used for. These nails are very beautiful. It's simple yet effective, and I just loved how it looked. It came out so good. And I just applied some crystals to the nails, just to spruce it up a little bit. I loved the first design, but as you can see, the index finger it just wasn't working for me. It was really playing with my emotions because all the nails were looking so good and this one had to mess it up. So yeah, I had to change it, 3 days was long enough because it was bothering me. Every time I watched it, I got pissed, But it was good that I could change the design easily and get something even better. That was the plus side, So now it's top coat time. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let me know what you think about this design, and also look at the other design that I did. I know the index finger messed it up, but it was still a good design, so look at it. Let me know what you think over there also and here, and like, comment and subscribe. And I just want to say thanks to everyone who is subscribed and who stays subscribed. Kind of a tongue here. Yes, who stays subscribed, and anybody else who wants to subscribe, come along for the ride, Thanks for everything. And see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.